Hey guys, today we're going to be testing all of our seasonings and I'm going to be rating them out of 10 by how they smell. First we got Kinder's roast chicken with garlic and herbs. So let's get a good whiff of that. Oh! I rate that a 4 out of 10. She just got classic pepper. Oh! 3 out of 10. We got Italian seasoning. 5 out of 10. We got Montreal steak seasoning. Oh, gosh. Like, 5 out of 10. Smells like pickles. We got Smokehouse Maple. Sounds pretty good. Oh! 6 out of 10. Next, we got Parsley, which should be pretty tame. Doesn't really have a smell. Yeah. No. 6 out of 10. Next, which I think is going to be the best, is Paprika. Smells like barbecue. I rate that a 9 out of 10. I don't know why I did this to myself, but lastly, got adobo. Oh my god! Make sure to like and subscribe and comment what we should make next for our future videos.